Common things that can damage your car's paint job. A car's paint job does more than enhance its appearance. It protects the vehicle from the elements, preserves its value, and reflects the care of its owner. However, several factors can harm the paint, reducing its longevity and beauty. Consider these common things that can damage your car's paint job. Tree sap and bird droppings. Tree sap and bird droppings may seem harmless but can severely damage paint. Both substances are acidic and can etch into the paint, leaving behind unsightly stains or rough patches. Leaving them on the surface of your vehicle for extended periods increases the risk of permanent damage. Chemical spills and corrosive substances. Chemical spills, such as gasoline, brake fluid, or household cleaners, damage paint by dissolving its protective layers. Over time, even small spills can cause discoloration or peeling, leaving the car vulnerable to further harm. Applying protective coatings like ceramic offers benefits such as protection against corrosive substances, preventing chemicals from penetrating the paint. Road salt and debris. Road salt and debris pose significant risks, particularly during winter months. Salt accelerates rust formation, which compromises the integrity of the paint and underlying metal. Small rocks or other debris kicked up by passing vehicles can chip paint and expose the surface to corrosion. To combat these risks, drivers can wash their cars frequently during winter to remove salt buildup. Regular inspection of the vehicle ensures chips and scratches receive prompt attention, preventing further damage. UV rays and extreme weather. Constant sun exposure weakens the paint over time, leading to fading, cracking, or peeling. Extreme weather conditions, including hail and heavy rain, also contribute to the deterioration of a car's finish. Parking in shaded areas or using a car cover shields the paint from harmful UV rays and weather elements. Opting for UV-resistant paint protection films or coatings provides an added layer of defense. Improper washing techniques. Washing a car improperly often causes more harm than good. Harsh cleaning agents strip protective coatings, while abrasive sponges or brushes create scratches. Even automatic car washes with outdated equipment can dull the paint over time. Using car-specific cleaning products and soft microfiber towels helps preserve the paint's shine. Furthermore, washing by hand offers better control and reduces the risk of scratches. Adopting correct washing habits prevents common issues from damaging your car's paint job, ensuring a sleek and well-maintained vehicle.